actually all the teachers are doing FLN activities in the class. Apart from that, the teachers have to attend our workshop based on FLN. So today I request Bala ma'am. It is part of this Shiksha Saptak about to know about Jagi Pitara. So yesterday also in the DLM also it was one of the main concepts to be taught to the children as well as teachers. So today Bala madam will enlighten us about Jagi Pitara. Go to Bala madam.
Respected Professor Sir and Rauti Madam and colleagues. She has studied, we have attended the workshop on Diksha and that they have introduced clearly about this Jagi Pitara. It is introduced by the Union Ministry of Education only last year. And the purpose of this Jagi means magical. Pitara means barriers. There should not be any barriers between student, teacher and children. They should free to handle the things. The thing is, the Jagi Pitara purpose is it's only for foundational stage, the age between 3 to 8 years. It is introduced by Dharmendra Singh. The children should take the things from that and they should enjoy and play. They should. The main thing is, at the age of 3 to 8, their health and well-being should be taken care. So when they are handling the things, their inner flexibility, their hand-eye coordination, their peer teaching. So many things are coming up and children are also very eager to come to school and children are getting some hands-on experience and joyful learning and stress-free learning and it is stress-free for teachers also. Only for that purpose the box is introduced and what we have to do is for their level, not just like that we should not keep the things inside. For their level, what are the games, what are the toys, and what are the reading books and all the paintings should be kept inside and should be freely, we should keep inside the class and children we should not stop them. And not only for the students material and teachers resource material also should be kept any CDs or pen drive and so that it is different for here at least the bottom one you can keep it for teachers material and you can tell the children you use only the things kept inside the box. So it is not NCRT has supplied this box and they have kept around 53 things that only IIT school has bought. This is our school made Pitara and IIT alone they have bought from the NCRT and the 53 things that they have sent on PDF and what is the purpose of the things they have kept and what are the TLOE speech, everything has given in a simple language in clear, in 44 pages. I will send the pages to you and they have given the worksheet for 13 languages in the standard box. So now it is our duty to fill this with whatever necessary for. Now we don't have the what is the below first mainly for normal year we don't have, but now we should keep the things for class 1 and 2. And also there is some do's and don'ts have been given in that PDF. What do's means they should keep the things according to their level. What topic we are going to handle, what are the activities to be completed within this month, especially now we are having the Vidya Pravesh. So what are the things are needed, for example balls, alphabets, games. So they have been given around 40 activities for to be completed with Vidya Pravesh. For that what are the things are necessary that should be kept inside. Okay, not beyond their level and the worksheet also should be more attractive. And we have got number of books for their level for class 1 and 2, that books alone should be kept. Just like that we should not keep them. The don'ts, what are the don'ts is, we should be very careful that we should not keep any sharp things inside. And also we should not keep any damaged things inside. And also the thing, the ground puppet and senior puppet, whatever we are keeping, that they have given sticky, they should be clean the lender. So when we are taking the health and well-being, there should not be anything. And also think, now we have made a very strong box. So actually for section wise we should make our own Jagi Pitara. When we keep in the class, we should be very careful. Some poisonous insects should not be inside. But now as it is very strong, nothing will go inside. And now after we have made a very big box and some children should not get into that. We should monitor. That is the very important thing. Some children should not be inside, some children should not go outside. That is the thing. Such a thing should be avoided. So we should supervise. We should be only the facilitator. We should give them the joyful learning and stress-free learning that is the base of this. and also the things should be changed then and there. Children should not see the same thing again and again. Okay, last week these are the days that I made a mistake. Now this week what madam has said, they should magical one by one they should take it out and they should experience. So when they are doing that automatically the Nippon, the 3 goals are being satisfied, they are becoming the important learners, they are becoming the effective communicators, and their health and well-being is also taking place, and they are learning so many things joyfully interested. That is only the thing about this Jagri Vitara. So if they have introduced up to class 2, I feel that it can be used for kids because we don't need to run here and there for every time to take the PLM to the resource room. And also the class teacher, all the 4 subject teachers should sit together, and for this month, for your lesson, what are the TLM necessary, what my subject, all the 4 subject material should be kept in advance inside, and talk also on letter should be there, letter card should be pasted, what are the things that we can inside. So we no need to run around and put the observation, everything is inside, worksheets are inside, everything is inside. And pen drive, all the subject teachers, what are the videos you want to show, everything should be put in that pen drive. So everything we should keep ready, that is the purpose behind that. So we can implement, we should implement, we should make our own box and we can arrange. So better to have every section or what try to change every month. Any doubts if you have, you can ask. That's all. That's all about this.
Really, I should thank Bala madam because she accepted it to take it within very short period of time. Today morning only I requested her because she already went into her induction course in Highland Grounds and as well as CL.
No, in Island Ground, they have got the ready-made NCRT.
And what is the difference in NCR?
They have the standard ready-made, but that one is
See, they have kept the standard things.
standard means whatever we have. I send the PDF, whatever we have in the resource room, we have got separately. They have the full pack. Now we bought from different people, no?
Now MCRT itself
same everything. Box maybe because only 53 items. What 53 items they have given, it is given in the PDF. I went through that whatever we have said that is only there. But that also we should keep on changing it. And the children will be bored. So only for joyful learning, every time they should experience something different. Only for the purpose behind that. So it will be resource room, we will be coming from the class.
I request the teachers also as what madam said, you can at least not even in the class, at least you can fill this Jagri Pitara, this one also, at least
Teacher made
materials, we can fill it in.
So it should not be dangerous.
Sir was about to go, then he went and called 1 minute sir, because this is the main workshop which we have to do on FLN activity. It is a very important workshop because yesterday also it was stressed. Jagri Pitara.